When I was working on the shop floor, it was quite common that my boss would come to me and say, Arthur, how much are you spending on tools? And I would say, I don't know, boss. Let me check what I've spent. I was always taught that the cost of the tooling and the price of the tooling was so important. And for where I was in my station, I didn't know anything outside of that. And my boss said it was important. So, I mean, it had to be important, right? And I worked through my whole career on the shop floor as a machinist in that fashion, worrying about price. Started doing ROI calculations in the last 5 years I was on the shop floor. Getting to the point where I've worked on the distributor side for over 5 years now. Something that really stands out to me, like glaringly, is just how little of a company's actual budget is spent on tools and spent on coolant and the consumable items it takes to run a shop. Do you need to keep your eye on them? Yes, but they are such an insignificant portion of the budget, like 5%. On top of that, you have facilities, you have labor, you have all the non-value added office staff, the indirect labor. Sorry, I can't say they don't add value. I kind of went off on a tangent there. A lot of what we spend our times being told is important in the world of manufacturing is really like 5%, maybe 6% of your budget. And it's really inconsequential. Now, how long it takes you to implement, your spindle time, your labor hours, your cost reduction strategies, all of these things add up when you actually focus and you work on them and you partner with the people in your supply chain rather than seeing us as adversaries. When you can have that whole chain all the way through, it's a beautiful place to be in. So if you're always chasing bottom dollar, getting stuck on price, I would consider you to look at the entire budget, that whole picture that I myself was blind to until I got to the other side of the industry. I'm here to support you in whatever it looks like so that you can focus on that other 95% of your budget and really make an impact in the cost and the performance of the companies you work for. That's why I focus on keeping your spindles turning and earning.